We are going to graph using or by systems of equations. Before we do that, we need to talk about what a one solution, no solution, and infinite solution look like on a graph. My one solution is when my two graphs cross only one time. No solution is when they will never touch. And infinite is when they are always on top of each other touching. Now let's go ahead and do a problem. I have two equations and we're going to graph both of those on one graph. So I'm going to graph the first one. So I go up to +1 and I put a dot because that's my y-intercept. Now I'm going to do my slope, which is 2/1. So I go up 2, right 1, put a dot. Up 2, right 1. Then I'm going to connect those dots with a straight line. Now looking at that second equation, I recognize that that is in standard form, so I need to solve for y. In order to do that, I'm going to plus 3x to both sides. My 3x's cancel and I'm left with 6y equals. Now remember, I cannot combine something with an x and something without, so it stays as 18 plus 3x. My final step is to divide by 6. 18 divided by 6 is 3, and 3 divided by 6 I get a decimal, so I leave it as the fraction. Now I'm going to graph this one in purple. I'm going to do my y-intercept of +3 first, and put a dot. From +3 I'm going up 3 more, and then I'm going right 6 and putting a dot. Going to extend my line. Last step is to tell me, is this a one solution, no solution, or infinite? Now when I look at this, I recognize that these two graphs touch one time right there. So right off the bat, I know this is a one solution.